Well, Ben Crisps. It looks like Jeremy Beard's getting way weird these days. What's been going on? Texted him today, and he said it's no longer Jeremy Beard, it's now Jeremy Bear. Come on, Mr. Crisps, what are you even doing with yourself? How's this show gonna get forward? How's it gonna go forward? If you got Jeremy Beard acting all weird.
Computer, begin the mystical dark arts.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Computer, open a portal to hell.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Computer, begin the ceremony.
Gladly. First, to set the mood. Much better. Are we ready to begin? Night. Poem by Lord Dunsany. Night falls on the lone Sahara, and spark by spark, Arabs I have not known. Light fires in the dark, of the specks of ash in the smoke, which Adam knows, from what fire it awoke, or whither it goes. In the wilds of space, in the dark, spiral nebulae, twirls spark upon spark, whereof one are we. Who can say for what task they arose, or whither they slip? And all the spirits I ask, stand, finger on lip.
I mean something to help me get in the spirit of things.
Antigonish, poem by Hughes Mearns. Yesterday, upon the stair, I met a man who wasn't there. He wasn't there again today. I wish he'd go away. When I came home last night at 3, the man was waiting there for me. But when I looked around the hall, I couldn't see him there at all. Go away, don't you come back anymore. Go away, and please don't slam the door. Slam. Last night I saw upon the stair a little man who wasn't there. He wasn't there again today. Oh, how I wish he'd go away.
Wonderful. Thank you, computer. And computer, happy Halloween.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Computer, happy Halloween.
Thank you very much. And a happy Halloween to you too. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Oh, good. Chef is here. Happy Halloween, Chef. Happy pieces of crap. You get the point. Happy Halloween. Computer, go talk.
Would you like to chat with an Alexa Prize social bot?
No, not really.